So good morning everyone. So in last class we have completed all divisibility rules. So we are starting our exercise 3.1 now. So what is exercise 3.1? In this first bit I am starting. So which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6? So they have given some questions. We have to check which numbers are divisible by 2, which numbers are divisible by 3 and also which numbers are divisible by 6 we have to check. Okay. So first bit in that. So what is the first bit? Which of the numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and 6? Now first I will write all the divisibility rules which they have given in question. What is divisibility rule of 2 first? Last digit should be an even digit. Last digit should be even digit. That is, what are the even digits? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So these are the even digits. Okay. And which divisibility rule they have asked? Next is divisibility rule of 3. What is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits should be divisible by 3 or it should be a multiple of 3. So sum of all digits should be divisible by 3 or multiple of 3. So we have to add all the digits. After adding, so how much the result should be divisible by 3 or it should be multiple of 3. So next is divisibility rule of 6 they are asking. What is divisibility rule of 6? Divisibility rule of 6. What is divisibility rule of 6? It should be divisible by both 2 and 3. It should be divisible by 2 and also it should be divisible by 3. Then only the divisibility rule of 6 will be satisfied. So it should be divisible by 2 and also 3. Then the given number is divisible by 6. Okay. So for the first value we will see now. So first one is what here? First question is 321 729. So it is 3,21,729. So whether this number is divisible by 2 and 3 and 6 we have to check here. So first is I am checking for divisibility rule of 2. So what is divisibility rule of 2? Last digit should be an even digit. Even digit is nothing but 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So what is the last digit here? 9. So 9 is not there in this set. Okay. So that means this value is not divisible by 2. So no, 3,21,729 is not divisible by 2 because last digit is not an even number. Okay, now we have to check for 3 now. What is divisibility rule of 3? Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of all digits should be divisible by 3 or it should be multiple of 3. That means we have to add all the numbers here. So if you add 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. So add all the values. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. So you got it as 24. So 24 is a multiple of 3. So 24 is divisible by 3. So therefore you can say 3,21,729 is also divisible by 3. Now we have to check for 6. So whether this number is divisible by 6 or not, we have to check. So what is the divisibility rule of 6? It should be divisible by 2 and also it should be divisible by 3. Then only it will be divisible by 6 here. So already we have it for 2 and 3. 2 is not divisible but 3 is divisible. What is the divisibility rule of 6? By both the divisibility rules it should be satisfied. But here it is not satisfied, here it is satisfied. So we can say 3,21,729 is not divisible by 6. Okay, so this is our first bit, first one, that is 3,21,729. In the case of divisibility rule of 2, it is not satisfied. In the case of divisibility rule of 3, it is satisfied. But in case of divisibility rule of 6, it is not satisfied. Okay, next one. So second one in this. So what is the second bit? Okay, so that is 1,97,231. So whether this number is divisible by 2, 3 and 6, we will check here. Now first I am taking the divisibility rule of 2 now. So with the 2 I am checking. So what is divisibility rule of 2? The last number should be an even digit. Here what is the last number? 2. So it is divisible. So yes, 1,97,232 is divisible by 2 because last digit is even number. Now it is divisible. Now coming to divisible with 3. What is divisibility rule of 3? The sum of all numbers should be divisible by 3. Add all the values. 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So add all these numbers. 9 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. So 24 is multiple of 3. So you can write 24 is divisible by 3. So therefore 1,97,232 is also divisible by 3. Now 2 is also satisfied, 3 is also satisfied. Now we have to check for 6. With the 6 I am checking now. So what is divisibility rule of 6? It should satisfy by 2 and also it should be satisfied by 3. So both the divisibility rules has been satisfied. So 6 will also be satisfied. So 1,97,232 is divisible by 6 also. Okay. So next bit in this. So what is the next bit? Nine seven two one 3 2. So whether this number is divisible by 2, 3 and 6 we have to check. So first I am checking with the 2. Divisibility rule of 2 I am checking. So So what is divisibility rule of 2? Last number should be even number. So 2 is an even digit. So the whole number will be divisible by 2 there. So yes, 972132 is divisible by 2 because last digit is an even number. Next, divisibility rule of 3. So I am checking with 3 now. So what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits. We have to add all the digits. 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. So you got it as 24 again. So 24 is a multiple of 3. So it will be divisible by 3 also. So 24 is divisible by 3. So therefore 9,72,132 is also divisible by 3. Now we have to check with 6. 2 is also divisible, 3 is also divisible, so 6 will also be divisible. So what is divisibility rule of 6? Yes. 9,72,132 is also divisible by 6. Okay, next question. So what is the next number here? That is so whether this number is divisible by 2, 3 and 6 we have to check. First, divisibility rule of 2. So what is divisibility rule of 2? Last number should be even number. So 4 is an even number. So yes. 17,90,184 is divisible by 2 because last digit is an even number. Next is rule of 3. So what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits. We have to add all the digits. What are that? 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. So what is the value? So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 8 is 29. 29 plus 1 will be 30. So 30 is multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 3 there. So 30 is divisible by 3. Therefore 17,90,184 is divisible by 3. Okay. And now we have to check for divisibility rule of 6 now. So rule of 6. So what is divisibility rule of 6? It should be divisible by 2 and also it should be divisible by 3. So 2 is satisfied, 3 is also satisfied, 6 will also be satisfied. So 17,90,184 is also divisible by 6. So this is fourth one. Next, fifth one I will do, and remaining 3 you have to do it as homework. So what is the fifth one? So first we have to check for divisibility rule of 2. So what is the last digit? 2. So 2 is an even number, so whole number will be divisible by 2. 3,12,792 is divisible by 2 because last digit is an even number. Next, divisibility rule of 3. So what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits. Add all the digits. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2. So if you add, how much you will get here? 7 plus 2, 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. So 24 is a multiple of 3. So it will be divisible. So 24 is divisible by 3. So 3,12,792 is also divisible by 3. And divisibility rule of 6. So, what is divisibility rule of 6? It should be divisible by 2 and also it should be divisible by 3. So, in both the cases it is divisible. So, 6 will also be divisible. So, 3,12,792 is also divisible by 6. So, this is our fifth one. So, remaining 4, next 6th, 7th and 8th you try it as homework. So, what is it for 6th one? 6th one is 7th one, and this is 8th one. You try this 3 bits as homework. You have to check for 2, 3 and 6. Okay. So with this our class is completed. Thank you.